Well, hello, friends. How's everybody doing today? Hope everyone is well and enjoying their time that they're spending with their families. This month, we're going to start talking a little bit about natural resources and what we see in our towns and what's going on. So, our first chapter is natural resources in our country. Now, our country has many, many natural resources which come from the earth, the sun, and the air. It's something we can use. Okay, so these are natural resources, the oil, the sun, okay, the air. Some of our resources cannot run out. Renewable resources can be refilled. They will always be here. So you see like the sun, see the wind turbines, these are starting to pop up a lot. These are all renewable energy. But some of our resources can run out. Non-renewable resources cannot be refilled. They will be gone one day. It's like oil. Deserts get lots of sunlight. Sunlight is energy from the sun. Sunlight can be refilled every day. There is more sunlight. So some days we do get sunlight, some days we don't, but there's always plenty. People use sunlight. Solar panels are put in the desert. Solar panels use sunlight, and the sunlight makes electricity. So the sunlight hits these panels and it makes electricity for you to turn on your radio, your TV. Rivers are made of water. Water makes energy when it flows. Water can be refilled. Every day, water flows in rivers. Okay, and we get water when it rains, when it snows. People can use water. Dams are built in rivers and they use water to make electricity. So the dam is making electricity, they use the water. But mountains have coal in them. Coal is like a black, thick rock that can be burned, but coal can run out. Earth does not make more coal. So when all that coal runs out, the mountains don't have any more coal, we won't have any more coal. People use coal, people dig in the mountains to get coal. Coal is also used to get electricity. You don't hear too much about coal anymore like years ago you used to. The ground has oil in it. Oil is a liquid that can be burned, but oil can run out. Earth does not make more oil. So some people, you might use your house, the oil to heat your house. Okay, but that can run out. That's not a renewable energy. People use oil. People drill in the ground to get oil. Oil is used to make gas for the cars. So when you go with your parents and they fill up the car with gas, the oil is used to make the gas. The United States has natural resources. We use the natural resources that are around the United States. Okay, so we have a lot of natural resources that we talked about. Okay. But hold on. Let's see if we can answer our questions. Where do natural resources come from? Do they come from the earth? Or do they come from coal? Okay, the first line in our book said natural resources come from earth. Okay, so we get all nature, natural, they come from earth. They're already here. Some of our resources can what? can run out, or some of our resources, oil. As we talked about, some of our resources can run out. Okay, which means we won't have them anymore, even though they're natural resources, they can run out. The oil can run out, coal can run out. Solar panels use blank to make electricity. Do solar panels use sunlight or oil? Remember I told you this sun goes on the solar panels and that makes electricity. If you live in Cranston, I think it's off Hope Road, there's a whole solar farm and they use that to make electricity. Blank is a black rock that can be burned. Is it coal or oil? It's coal. Years ago, they used to say if somebody wasn't good at Christmas, Santa would leave them coal. But now coal is very expensive and it wouldn't be a bad gift. So coal is a black rock that burns. And what is used to make gas for the car? The oil. We use oil to make gas for our cars to make them run. Now, a lot of companies are coming out with electric cars, so we'll be using more electricity, probably more solar panels to produce the electricity. And maybe we won't have all the pollutants in the air from the gas and the oil. So I hope you learned a little bit from this, and then we're going to be talking about our cities and towns a little bit. Have a great day. Miss seeing you guys, and stay safe.